Audio sync. Hey everyone, it's Taylor O'Connell and welcome to the fourth video in our series on your guide to ranking on Google. In this video, we'll be discussing website SEO, the beginner's guide to ranking on Google. Let's start with reviewing technical SEO, which is the practice of optimizing a website to improve its visibility and ranking in search engine results pages. This involves making sure that the website is properly configured and optimized for each search engines to crawl and index its content, as well as for users to navigate and use the site. In other words, technical SEO helps search engines understand the structure and content of a website and can improve the user experience. It's a crucial aspect of SEO and should not be ignored if you want your website to rank well in search results. Now let's talk about on-page SEO, which is the process of optimizing individual web pages in order to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in search engine results pages, or SERPs. This includes optimizing the content and HTML source code of a page to make sure it's relevant, valuable, and well-structured for both search engines and users. On-page SEO is important because it helps search engines understand the context and content of a web page, and it can influence the relevancy of a web page for specific keywords. So, if you want your content to rank well in search results, make sure to focus on-page SEO when creating it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful. In the next video in our series, we'll be covering how to rank your content in Google. Make sure to tune in for tips on how to get your content on top of search results. See you then.